Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 5.7 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 1. This question deals with reading data from a geographical map. So it says that in Appendix B, which I've pasted here at the bottom, shows a map of South Africa indicating the types of farming done. Use it to answer the questions to follow. So for 5.7.1, it says name one city that one would pass if one traveled from Beaufort West to Pietersburg in a northeasterly direction. So you can see here that this is where Beaufort West is. Pietersburg is over here. We know that the map of South Africa, north is approximately up and south is down, and this is to the east. So in a northeasterly direction, that's where northeast is. So if we're from Beaufort West up to Pietersburg, will be in this northeasterly direction. So the towns or cities that they pass is either Bloemfontein, you also pass Johannesburg, or Pretoria. So the answer for 5.7.1 would be Bloemfontein, but they will accept either of the other two, so it's Bloemfontein. You only have to put one, but I'm just going to write them all down. So it's Bloemfontein or Johannesburg or Pretoria. It then says in the next question, state which city on the map is closest to where the most vineyards are grown. So if we look at the map, the symbol for vineyards is a sort of wine glass, and we can see that there's a cluster of them down over here and nowhere else on the map. So most of your vineyards are near the city of Cape Town. So the answer there is Cape Town. So as I said, it's 5.7.2 and your answer is Cape Town. And then it says, next, identify Swaziland's primary farming crop. So Swaziland is this country over here, and there's only one crop that they farm over there. And if you look closely, that symbol is the cotton symbol. So you've got to look really closely, but you can see that symbol is the same as that. So the answer there is cotton. So 5.7.3 is cotton. And then it says in the last question, identify 4 agricultural crops on the map that are fit for human consumption. So here is the list of the crops that are on the map. Us as humans can't consume cotton or tobacco. We don't eat tobacco or eat cotton. So the answer is fruit, peanuts, vegetables, and vineyards. So vineyards is grapes, so you can write grapes as well. So the 4 products are for 5.7.4. It's fruits, peanuts, vegetables, and vineyards. And you can specify that because vineyards is where grapes grow. So you can say grapes as well. But vineyards is just is fine enough. And that concludes question 5.7. Before I go, I'd just like to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to the questions you have, send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.